how to request lives in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga. If you are run out of lives, don't worry. We are about to get you more from your friends. Make sure you are connected to Facebook or King's account. This is how the game connects you to your friends, so you can ask for lives. When your lives hit 0, the game will show a screen with an Ask Friends button. Tap it. A list of Candy Crush friends will appear. Select who you want to ask. Tap Ask for Lives, and your live request will be seen instantly. Wait for your friends to respond. When your friends tap send live, you will get a notification. See the live in your inbox, the mail icon at the top, and tap claim or accept to add it to your live bar. Also, be polite and send lives back when friends request. It keeps the candy karma flowing. And that's it. Users send a live request like a Candy Crush Pro. Got a question? Drop them in the comment below. Smash like if this helped you out and subscribe for more sweet tips. See you in the next one.